Some mornings feel like you're dragging yourself out of cement. Your body's stiff, your breath is shallow, your energy barely there. But you don't need caffeine to come alive. Just 5 minutes of intentional movement. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours. Begin gently circling your hips. Slow, wide, deliberate. Like you're tracing a figure 8 with your spine. This stretch might look simple, but it's secretly powerful. It speaks to your spine, hips, and nervous system all at once. You're not just warming up your body, you're reawakening the rhythm your day will follow. I promise, loosening your pelvis like this will unlock your lower back, reduce stiffness, and prep your core without a single crunch. Beginners, keep circles slow and shallow. Advanced stretches, add some breath work. Inhale on the forward arc, exhale on the back. Your pelvis acts like a steering wheel for your spine. How it moves affects everything above and below it. Hold for 5 more seconds. Now come to stand. Let's amplify this flow. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Begin circling your hips in slow, intentional rotations. Back, side, big, round, controlled. This is your permission to move with freedom again. No mirrors, no perfection, just flow. You're waking up every stabilizer muscle in your core without a single rep. I promise this movement recenters your balance, boosts spinal health, and sets your breath back into alignment. Beginners, soften the knees and reduce the circle. Advanced stretches, add a slight pause at the back edge for a deeper glute engagement. Can you reverse the direction and keep your rhythm? Now shake it out. We're about to stretch tall and wide. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's open the side body. Step your right foot out to the side, left knee down, arms reaching wide. Now place your right arm on your thigh and reach overhead, creating a long line. The stretch wakes up the space between your ribs and hips, a place we often compress when we sit all day. I promise, this unlocks better breathing and posture in less than 30 seconds. Beginners, keep the front knee slightly bent. Advanced stretches, reach further and gently swing your arm. Do I feel taller yet? If not, sink a little deeper and open your chest. Hold for 5 more seconds. Now switch sides. Same shape, other leg forward, extend and reach. This side may feel tighter, and that's okay. Use your breath to stretch beyond the stiffness. This isn't about symmetry, it's about surrender. I promise, if you make this a daily habit, your lower back and posture will thank you. Try adding a slight chest twist toward the sky for extra length. And now, we finish strong with the most underrated posture enhancer. Stand tall, clasp your hands behind your back, or reach for a towel if needed. Pull your knuckles down, lift your chest, and breathe into the front of your body. This stretch undoes everything the world does to your posture. It says, I'm open, I'm grounded, I'm ready. I promise, you'll feel taller, lighter, and more centered in less than a minute. Beginners, bend your elbows or use a towel. Advanced stretches, hinge slightly forward while keeping your arms lifted. Can you lift your hands a little higher while keeping your shoulders relaxed? Hold, breathe in, and exhale slowly. That's your full wake-up flow. And what you need to remember now is that tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot. Rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.